So if you have a look at this one, we have our sensor, and it's between, instead of going across ways, it goes this way. So that it goes, and the other special thing is, the tape doesn't go all the way around. It stops at the back. It stops at the back. So we're going to make one of these sensor blocks. This is a light sensor. If I put it, so I split the legs apart and wrap it down there. And then we put that on. We'll tape that down. That one. So we'll tape this one down. Now remember, we need that gap at the back. There. And then we tape this side down. There we go, and the other side goes all the way around. So there's our light sensor block. We have the sensor that runs just on one side, and as we turn it over, we have a gap here, and the two pieces of tape this direction don't touch each other. So where does it go? We have our power block, our sensor block, and our light block. And then it makes it bright and dim.